Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is PsychoGold and today we've got something a little bit different. A few weeks ago I went on a trip to Oxford to see my friends Syiance and TechBot, and we also met up with the Anime Panda and we went out in Oxford. Now, I've shot some stuff with my vlog camera. I was still getting used to it. I was trying out a few things, so some of the footage has come out good, some of the footage hasn't. Annoyingly, I've lost the intro that I shot, and pretty much all of my travel footage that I did has gone due to a problem that I did where I recorded the footage incorrectly, so I can't use it. So I'm recording this as a kind of intro because otherwise it makes no sense. So in a minute you're just going to see some scenes of me going around Oxford, having a good time with some good people. I stream with these people over on Twitch if you're wondering who they are. And if you're here from the Discord servers, then there's a good chance you already know who they are. I had a great time, they had a good time, and we're going to be doing some more stuff together in the future. I've also been filming some more vlogs since this day, but it's just taking forever to get them edited. And fingers crossed, guys, that I'm going to be going to Comic-Con in October with these fine folks, as well as a few other people who you can expect to make an appearance in any vlogs I film at Comic-Con. And I think most of you know who I might be talking about. But that's it for me for today, guys. Enjoy the footage of me walking around Oxford, and I will see you all in my next video.
I love it. I want like 10 above me. You're hanging off the green screen, like behind me.
I think we found the store that you two are going to spend most of your time at.
I need like all of this. Oh, you have to get that.
Panda found a panda.
Squishy entry!
We found the entry! What was that? Panda is content, she now has a panda.
He's big and squishy.
What have you found?
Sweet. and they're on sale.
Oh no.
Just they're £2.5.
Stacey's found some as well.
Banana.
Rum and butter. Rum,
I just love the confused look on Panda's face.
rum and butter. Is that a thing?
Apparently. And if not, it is now.
I want this bag.
You get fucking into everything.
I know, right? That's why I want it.
Oh, you tell me one side.
Panda's found new headgear.
It even has it in the pages.
Ah!
Where's the price?
Yeah, where is the price?
Where is the price? This is when it tells me that it's like £3 million. £10?
Oh, will Panda do it?
Do we do it for YouTube?
Don't do that.
So good.
Don't do that.
Cool. Going down with the kids.
Panda be looking at them like, oh, shiny. Is that right? You like that Beast and Nergal action?
Oh yeah.
You have to put it all together first before like
Sorry, I'll put it away.
Okay. Hey guys! Oh, my hair is still a mess even though I just brushed it. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a vlog on the go. As you've hopefully just been seeing in the footage, we went out in Oxford yesterday and we had a good time, but look who I've got sat next to me! Say hello!
Sup, Queen?
Woo! And we have someone else over there in the distance. Over there! That's TechSpot. Despite the fact he acts like a duck, he's really not a duck. We also have the Coop. Say hello, Cooper. No. So we had a pretty chill day yesterday. We have got Stasis in the house as well, but she's disappeared. She's like a ninja. So, how have you enjoyed your time with meeting all of us, Panda?
Oh, hi. It was good. Hey.
Paying attention.
Sorry, the doggo's here. Wait, come here. Okay, fine. It was fun. I got some stuff. I got a squishy panda.
You got a squishy panda?
I did get a squishy panda. I have a nice squishy panda.
Oh, someone else just walked into the room trying to go past us like a ninja.
Ninja. No one succeeded.
Boom! Oh, just about vessel in the frame.
Oh, it is keeping the shot.
Come on, up you get. I'll cut us. Oh, see, he listens to you.
There we go. Just
you
about.
can have my butt, Panda.
So yeah, We had a good time yesterday walking around Oxford.
I got some manga, that's always fun.
Panda bought all the manga. Stacey nearly bought a cookbook, but she decided against it.
Because it was too expensive.
I got mad at a
It was
cookbook.
very expensive. You got mad at a cookbook? Oh yes, tell us. Tell us about your madness.
I haven't heard this.
Right, so there's a book which was nerdy baking stuff. Now that's cool, that's interesting, like it. And in it was some really impressive stuff. Like they made like a Death Star one and they had like atom stuff and it looked cool. There was a chemistry cake. And then you turn the page and it's like star constellation cookies. They're just star biscuits. You don't need that. There's like, and then like you'd have this really impressive thing, turn the page and then it's like a cupcake that has purple frosting, so it's a galaxy. It's like, that's not skillful.
We had this
You lied
rage
to me.
all the way
So
walking
mad.
around Oxford.
It's so mad. It's like, but you don't need a page for that.
And we also came back and we decided to finally get HirooXPanda, many years into her life, the joy that is
How dare
the
you.
first Star Wars film. Because somehow she had gone this long without seeing it.
They're good, I like them. I like them. C-3PO's
Your favourite?
He's my favourite, yes. I was gonna say like, amazing, but then I was gonna say good, and then it kind of got caught into gamazing. He's gamazing.
He's amazing.
He's amazing.
So yeah, C-3PO, Chewie, Han, Luke, she liked them all. Then we watched
Chewy Ham.
Chewie Ham. Then we watched The Empire Strikes Back and she already knew the spoiler, which was a shame.
It is a doggo.
Doggo.
Cooper.
Dog cam.
Could care
No,
No.
don't
He's a
care.
doggo cam.
So yeah, that's us for the day, guys. We're going to be heading back to our respective homes, and then I'm sure we're going to go to YouTube. Hello, Panda.
It's not me. Ah, no.
That's the simplest way to get rid of her. Just zoom in.
That's always bad. Never enjoy the zoom in.
But that forehead, though.
That forehead grip. That forehead grip.
Yeah. Right, guys. It's been a good weekend, so we'll see you next time. It's just a short vlog, but for right now, this is all of us signing out. See you guys.